Welcome to Ninh Binh.
Oh. The raindrops are getting bigger. All right, we are in Bai Dinh.
Oh, Bai Dinh Temple.
This place, in one word, it's huge.
It is huge.
Hey everyone, we're in Ninh Binh.
Welcome to Ninh Binh.
And right now we're on a boat tour at Tom Kak. And the view is amazing. It is raining, that's why I have an umbrella. But yeah, this should be really fun.
Look how cute I look.
Xin chào. Wow, this is amazing. I would say even in the rain, in the first 3 minutes, it's already worth it. Here, let me show you. So we were deciding between this one, Tom Kak, or Trang An. And I'm glad we picked this one because it's much closer to where we stay. If we went to the other one, it would have been a 30-minute bike ride and we would have been rained on. It's pretty cool. All the drivers row with their feet. It's the hip mobility I dream of. The raindrops are getting bigger.
You have to be afraid. There's many decisions. And there was conspiracy theory that this was all man-made because it looks like the rocks were stacked on top of each other.
Alright, looks like we're coming up to our first cave. Some shelter from the rain. Look, you can only see my teeth. Alright, we're just coming out of the cave and wow. I think we're going through a rice field now.
Reminds me of Land Before Time. A Land Before Time. Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
Reminds me of dinosaurs roaming around here.
Yeah. Yeah, these rock formations are insane.
They're so cool.
How does it get to be like this?
I know. I wanted to know the same thing.
I think it rained so hard, it kind of like chiseled away at some mountains. The asteroids hit here?
Ripple effect.
You're saying these are all asteroids?
No, they made the formation.
Okay.
Impact.
Okay. It looks like we're heading into Valley of Plenty.
Valley of Plenty.
So now we're going under another cave. It's really low this time. It was insanely low.
That was crazy.
I could only bend as low as my gut allows me. Now we're out in the open. Now we're turning around. Back to the deep dark cave.
After the cave, people are trying to sell you stuff. And we heard before that there could be a scam of them not letting you go before you buy something. So we had heard about that before and decided to just buy something on the spot.
You have water? No, here.
One day.
Or, yeah. How much?
60. Thank you.
So now we have one Red Bull for our driver and one water for us. So we're going the same way back, but the view is still impressive.
Here we're getting kind of scared because we're in a metal tin boat and we're underneath a little thunderstorm of thunder and lightning. But then we're getting out of the water pretty fast, which was good. And I think no one else was let into the boats after that because of the weather got pretty bad.
Okay, today we are at Trang An.
Day 2 of exploring Ninh Binh. This is the alternative boat ride. The one we took is the small one, and this is I think it's the one that most people take.
There are 3 routes. I'm not sure what's open today because the lady said there's high waters, so a lot of things are closed. Let's see what we got. So here we have the routes. So route 1 doesn't make a lot of sense because it has the most caves and they're all closed. She said that we'd have no caves and 2 temples, so maybe we're going to route 3.
Maybe. Here we have to share with another couple and kind of have a little bit of an obstructed view, which we didn't have yesterday where it was just the 2 of us on the boat. Also here they didn't row with their feet. They just rowed with their hands as usual.
After about 30 minutes or so, we have our first stop at this temple, which is also a rest stop for a toilet.
Yeah, it's pretty nice that they break it up a little bit because you need to have an empty weak bladder.
Yeah, it's a really short break though, it's only 5 minutes.
There's this really famous and popular water temple, which is really beautiful. Like it's built in the middle of these rocks. It's really nice to look at. However, I think we kind of preferred yesterday. This is still very beautiful, of course. Here we're entering a little stop. So every few minutes there was a little stop to look at a temple or to take a little island in, walk around a bit. And on this island we have to get off and then walk across the island and then get on the boat again on the other end. However, we're kind of struggling to figure that out because no one really told us what's going on. We just see all these tourists walking across the little island and meeting their drivers on the other side. But we walk across and we don't see the other couple. We don't see our driver. Should I say our rower? We don't see our rower. And we are a little bit worried. So we walk all the way back across the island just to find out that we did have to go to the other side of the island. So back and forth we go until we find the other couple and our rower again. And yeah, get back on the boat to row back. So that's the end of the Trang An part of our day, and now we're heading over to Bai Dinh Temple.
All right, we are in Bai Dinh.
Oh, Bai Dinh Temple. I was like, I got confused with all the Din Bins and Tem Bins.
Yeah, this is a temple complex near Ninh Binh. We paid, I don't know, 220 dongs each, 220,000 dongs. Gives us a electric car shuttle and hop-on, hop-off service within the complex. And we already see the main attraction from here. This is called the stupa. Right there.
I look forward to the elevator because we just did a little bit of trek involuntarily on this island. I'm a little tired of walking, but we should be good. On the other side that we're not supposed to go to is a statue corridor. Sometimes you have a bad experience because the service is bad, and sometimes you have a bad experience because you make a mistake yourself. We went on this boat ride, and you get off the boat at a certain stop, and then the boat collects you on the other side of the boat, of the island. But we didn't see the other couple that was on our boat. We didn't see the driver anywhere, and got a little nervous. Went all the way back across the island just to find out no boat driver takes off at the beginning. They all collect you at the other end. So basically we took the hike across the island 3 times. Yeah.
It was no fun. So this place is a lot bigger than we thought. I don't know if we'll see everything. We might skip a few. We'll just go to the highlight, which is the stupa.
Don't want to push it because I'm feeling very well right now.
Yeah, starting to feel heat exhausted and dehydrated. All the bad things.
Yeah, and I'm really regretting that we don't have a pool at our hotel because I would really just want to jump into water right now. Being on the boat and not being able to swim is like, it's like torture. They don't have a coconut or a pineapple or a mango, so we're moving on.
What did they have?
They have smoothies, teas, coffees, milkshakes, and such drinks and little cakes, which usually I'd be all for it, but right now I need something fresh.
We're speed running this to the next shuttle. We're so close.
The shuttle is nice. Yeah.
Yeah, if we can describe this place in one word, it's huge.
It is huge. Is that 4 kilometers, the whole thing? You can see the water from here.
It's crazy how much real estate this place is.
It's crazy.
So this is the 3 periods hall, and it's the most number of huge Buddhas I've seen in a single room.
Yeah, they're really impressive, very shiny. Today was a little bit of a rough day, to be honest. I think it's not always rosy-dozy when you travel full-time, and yeah, I hope you still got some beautiful views. Ninh Binh has some really nice natural phenomena, and I hope it was nice to watch, and hope to bring you some better vibes next time. We're having this really nice view here and some beer.
Cheers.
To end this day, this day's in a bit. Cheers! See you in the next one.
Bye.